Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do regressional analysis in Excel. We have a data here, x, the value of x 368 down to 376, and value of y from 1.7 down to 1.3. Let's see how we can do out regressional analysis to get the line of best fit. So what we do first is to select the data, move to insert menu, we scroll down to insert scatter plot, then we select what we have, right click and then press delete. We click on the vertical lines, press delete on the keyboard, press on this, also press delete. Then we click on the markers, then we set format data series. So move to the marker. Then the marker is there will be no line in the border. The fill color, we can change solid fill. The color is black. So here we are. Then we come to this, to the horizontal axis. Under the tick marks, the major, we can put cross. Then we move to coloring of it, the fill. The line color is solid line, black, arrow type, end arrow type. So we have this, so we click and then to change the font color of the values. Says click on font, give this the value black. They will do the same, to repeat the same thing here to the vertical axis. Line color solid, and arrow type. Then we'll look again, we'll make the tick marks major, cross. Then to format the numbers, right click, select font, give it a color black. Then let's rescale this so that we have space. For our title. The next is to get the line of best fit. Then we click, right click, add trend line. So this is a trend line. Then we can now display on the equation and display the value of r square. So we can see the value of coefficient of determination is around 96%. The slope is 0.056 and the intercept on the vertical axis is minus 0.613. So let's click on this trend line and let's format it. The color, solid line. The type, dash type, we'll take it to solid. We reduce the width to around 1. I think that's what we have. Then now click here, then we'll click on insert symbol, an equation, just let outside, then after insert, then symbol, equation will chop our x, we'll bring it here, then we Control C, Control V, then which we call it y. So you can see we'll now get the line of best fit that passes midway between the point of values. So there's a straight line. The coefficient of determination, r square, is 96%, and the slope is this and is that. So this is how to carry out the linear regression using Excel. There is no need to use any Thank you, and see you in another video.